Afternoon, welcome. This is Waec year 2020 English test of oral past question. Question number 6. The same instruction is applicable here. We're looking out for the option that contains the same vowel sound as in the given word. The given word here is pronounced as pint, not pint as people pronounce it, and letter I is underlined. So by transcription, international phonetic transcription is pronounced as pint, as but people pronounce it as plate. While option A is pronounced as plat, not plate, as people also pronounce it. Is pronounced as plat, not plate. Option B is pronounced as lips, lips, lips. The option C is pronounced as by, I sound by, while option D is pronounced as late, late. So by this transcription, find out that option B has the same option C has the same I sound as in the given word. Therefore, option C is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more videos.